Haringkat ka Thma kari United States of America bat ri Israel persya ye kari Iran kabala rung sya ka tayo ka basaw ki pau ki jingkali balay bat kumno kari United States of America ka shimklo ye ka sin jam ban pha sipai ye ka bau Donald Trump u president udan ka khana ka batmai ban ya thu syapang ka jingsedang ka Jinghiar Thma haka arpulai tere uleber araja arpunrio haka round table haka US State of Tennessee u Donald ulakdo show Pete Hegseth Defense Secretary bat Kynnoh kala badi u Pete ubaong ban pha sipai Pete ngatharai demo phi bakran ningkong bat phiong tungin ye le namar ngin am ailat yaki bakin don yaki tiar nuclear laong u Trump haba don lang u Pete Hegseth Nakabenta ka Thma ka bala don bon ba ki kaipot bat ki khana mano ba don ha ka borsen shar ki bakwa ban hiar Thma ya kari Iran ban kani ka Kynnoh utram kalong dakumoy pan.
And then unfortunately I called Pete, I called General Kane, I called a lot of our great people. We have great people, and I said, let's talk. We got a problem in the Middle East. We have a country known as Iran that for 47 years has been just a purveyor of terror. And they're very close to having a nuclear weapon. We can keep going and get that 50,000 up to 55 and 60 is no end. Or we can take a stop and make a little journey into the Middle East and eliminate a big problem. And Pete, I think you were the first one to speak up. And you said, let's do it, because you can't let them have a nuclear weapon. So we are now having really good discussions. They started last night, a little bit, the night before that.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya